unexpected controversy has erupted over the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, a dream project of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Residents of Sardar's ancestral town Karamsad in Anand district strongly feel that the statue being constructed no way reflects the powerful aura that India's Iron Man exuded. After an 18-feet replica of Statue of Unity was exhibited at Karamsad in December last, the residents and Sardar's descendants had suggested certain anatomical changes in the design to the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekta Trust SVPRET, which has been formed to implement the project. The residents, however, say that the changes suggested by them haven't been incorporated in another 30-feet replica of the statue, which was inaugurated by Chief Minister Anandiben Patel at Baben village of Bardoli last week. Engineering major Larsen & Toubro L&T, that has backed the work order for the project, has roped in renowned sculptor and Padma Shri Award winner Ram V. Sutar for the construction of Statue of Unity. We had suggested modifications to the replica that was kept for display at Karamsad Memorial. The replica did not reflect the kind of aura and personality that Sardar Sahib had. The face itself was dull. Bhupendra Bhai Patel, son of Sardar's nephew Manu Bhai, told TOI, "I am not aware whether there were any modifications done later to it." He says, "We had given a 15-page presentation on necessary changes when the replica installed at Bardoli was being prepared. The replicas simply don't reflect Sardar's aura. Even the facial expressions do not match," says Rashesh Patel from Team Karamsad, which started a movement demanding national heritage status for Sardar's ancestral home and primary school where Sardar studied. If even smaller size busts and statues can portray Sardar properly, the Statue of Unity should be prepared by ensuring that all minute details are taken care of, he says. Team Karamsad has suggested that a committee of prominent artists be formed to monitor the ongoing project. An SVPRET official, however, said that the entire process is open for changes. Even at Bardoli, we had kept a big consultation round with prominent historians and locals, said the official on condition of anonymity.